is Late Night Health. This is the radio program that cares about the most important part of your life, and that's your health. Hi, I'm Mark Alyn. During the next 2 hours, we're going to explore aspects of health that have not been talked about before on this program for sure. We're going to be introducing a brand new drug at the end of the 2 hours. It's a sex drug. Yep, it helps you, it helps men kind of stand at attention.
Stick around,
that's it. And so we'll be talking about that. We'll also be talking about a new form of addiction treatment, not the 12-step program, but a brand new program developed by a local doctor who is convinced that his science-based formulation and formulas will work. And so we'll be talking with Dr. A.R. Mohammed during the beginning of next hour as well. We're going to begin this hour with a brand new friend who is a lifelong friend. Her name is Ema-s-Salmon. Emma has a doctorate in pharmacology. She's a pharmacist, but she gave up being a pharmacist to explore folk medicine. The original medicine, of course, were herbs. And I was driving not far from our studio last week, a place that I have driven past maybe 85,000 times, and all of a sudden I saw Emma's Herbs. Ema-s-Salmon, welcome to Late Night Health.
Thank you. Hi, Mark.
Hi. Why did you give up allopathic or traditional medicine to explore and learn about herbs?
I guess you are talking about my passions now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When you study pharmacology, you learn what's on another side. Like everybody wants magic and fast healing, but there is no healing without side effects. And if you know about side effects, then you get scared of it, and you want to research about something that can help, but without terrible side effects. And that's how I came to natural way herbal medicine.
Herbal medicine was the original medicine. It was what, I hate to say this, but witch doctors would use, herbs to heal
for
people?
For thousands of years, yes. They like, herbal medicine is still used in today in doctor's office. You have a most powerful herb like digitalis, for example, which is medication for heart, and we don't have a chemical copy of it, and it is still used, prescribed by doctors. But start with the simple aspirin. It's white willow bark. It's extracted from bark and exchanged with a chemical, and half of population all around the world is using it.
And what's the difference then between using digitalis or aspirin from willow bark?
White willow
herbs?
Bark wouldn't leave a side effect, but how many willows we would cut to supply enough pain medication for all humans which exist these days.
And
means like it's impossible.
And willow bark, of course, or aspirin is used for the treatment of pain.
That's right.
Fever reduction.
Mm-hmm.
And even some cardiovascular benefits, is my understanding.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Right.
What was your aha moment when you said, no more pharmaceuticals, I want to do something different?
What was my aha? What do you mean aha moment?
It was you woke up one day and said, wait a second, I don't want to be doing this. I mean, I know that herbs are your passion today, but there was a time that you may not have known about them.
Well, I always knew about herbs, and my dad used to take me to pick up rose skips. But my aha moment if we translate that in English, right?
Yes.
Was moments when we were producing drugs, something for cholesterol. And you learn about chemistry. You have about 4 different chemistries in a school.
Right.
And you know that certain things will lower cholesterol, but you don't know what that will do, what side effects will be. Anyway, I was in a moment of letting go of new baby medication, and you test it on animals, and then comes to humans. What will happen in 5 years, 10 years? Nobody knows. It means you cross your fingers and hope nothing terrible will happen to those people.
And
today we know that the statins are having serious side effects on the brain. Dementia and Alzheimer's are connected. We don't have enough proof, but they are connected with the statins.
And it's
means
also
like
they also have effects on the liver.
Absolutely, kidneys, liver. But we have a lot of people who you don't know what to do with the parents who don't know anything anymore. Is it statins only, or we live longer? I cannot say that.
Right.
But there is a lot of stuff. Like every medication has something.
Let me. I came into your cute little shop in Ventura, and by the way, it's called Ema's ema-s-herbs, and you can look for it on Facebook or on the internet, ema-s-herbs.com. Emma will have a picture of Emma and her bio on our website in the next few days as well. Besides being one of the most energetic people I've ever met, and very, very nice, your knowledge of herbs. I mean, is there an herb that I can take if my cholesterol is high? Is there an herb for lowering blood pressure? Is there an herb that will help with gastritis? All 3 of those. I'll just throw those out.
First of everything, there is everything in nature which can help our body. And our knowledge is so small. But yes, there is herb for most of things which we kind of like struggle these days, especially with those which you mentioned right now. Yeah, we can do that.
And you can do, and these have been effectively tested, I know.
I'm in the business for the last 24 years, and I don't think that people would come back just because I am cute. Of course I am.
I would come back because you're cute, but that's me. That's me. From Ema's Herbs, we have ema-s-salmon on our line. By the way, in the next week or two, we're going to be talking with the inventor of the Smarty Potty. The Smarty Potty is a device that helps you go to the bathroom in the correct position. I couldn't resist, folks. It's a dirty situation. It's a dirty topic, but I think we need to explore it. We may even have a Smarty Potty to give away on the air here on Late Night Health. I'm Mark Alyn. This is Late Night Health. Be sure to join us at latenighthealth.com, latenighthealth.com. If you're in Los Angeles, please take a listen to us at KABC Radio, K-Tahoe Radio in the Tahoe, Reno area, and WMEL, and all across the country. Let your radio stations know that we are here and that you are listening to us. A little bit later on, Dr. Lynn is in, leading Beverly Hills dermatologist, will be talking to us about what it means to be hypoallergenic.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And he tells us we will be surprised at the answer. Right now we're talking about herbs. For thousands of years, people have used herbs, Emma. The herbs, you actually gave me some herbs to try as a tea. Is that the primary use or delivery system as a tea?
I like to take herbs in a tea form because you get the most of it, but people are using in a different form. Aromatherapy, people smell them. People cook with the herbs. They're called spices. People make tinctures and extracts from herbs. That is convenient, and it can be concentrated, and it can be stabilized, like you know exactly how much of certain, call it chemical, you're getting in a dose. People like to take in a tablet or a capsule form. I personally don't believe in a capsule in tablet form because they don't get absorbed. And I think it's a huge business these days. Health food stores are filled with the capsules from ginkgo. You have what is popular herb.
Well, the tea is a delicious way of doing being healthy. And I should mention, which I neglected to say, is that Emma is from Sarajevo, which is why she has such a sexy accent, okay?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Emma, I'm going to ask you to hold on for just a second. We'll be back after we do some business as we continue here on Late Night Health. I'm Mark Alyn. Be sure to visit us at latenighthealth.com, latenighthealth.com. Let me